Hello again to this new tutorial. Today I will cover related and unrelated table, and I will show you what is the main difference between these functions that we have here in Power BI. Well, it's starting with related function. Related function is similar to VLOOKUP in Excel. So to know how we use this, we can just try to apply it in this dataset that we have here. As we see with me in this modeling, we have two table, order line and product. So to use this function, use it if we have one-to-many relationship. I mean, we have principal table and dimension table, as we have here in this example. And to use this function again, we need to use it in the site of many. Here I mean in the order line. I will show you now to understand deeply what I mean about these things. Well, if we go to this table view, we have the table. To use to relate it, we go check our modeling view, and we try to use this in uh, this order line table. Okay. Well, let's create in a new column, and in this column I want the category. Okay. If we check in here the columns that we have here in this order line, we don't have any column of category, but exist in other table, existing product table here. We have category column here. How I can do to import it from this table to from this product table to order line table. We need just create a new column here. Okay, let's name it category equal to related, and we will choose here. Press enter, and I will see here all the categories I have here in dataset. Sorry. Well, related is work in the other side of many relationship. So let's try to create it again in this product table. If you want to create in the same this creating a table or a column called quantity. If I apply this related, it don't give me any table here. Why? Because this side is one to many relationship. Okay, it's not work here, but we have the alternative. But before I give you the solution here, if also we have the ability to create this or apply this related function using measure. So let's create another measure called sales equal to, I want all the cells here. So in the order line, I want the quantity, but I have the price in other table. For this reason, I need to relate it here. To erase, we close the parentheses and press enter. This is my cells here. Okay, we try to make it in a card. Let's drag in cells here. Okay, this is my cells. If we go to check again this measure I created, I using this aggregate function of summix, and I using the quantity in the table of order line, and price in other table is the product in the product table. For this reason, I try to merge in between this column and get my final result. Okay, this is for related function. So let's return again to the table view, and then we go again to this product. If we remember, we are creating here is not new table, is a new column, sorry. We want a new column here in this product. Okay, so click right, new column. So let's call it here as a quantity. Okay, equal to related. It not give me any provided table, but we have the alternative in this case. I need to use other function equal related table. Related table, I need order line, and I close the parentheses, press enter, but I will get the error here. Why? Because the difference we have between related table and related. In related table, we return for me a table is not a scalar value as we have in related. In a related function, we return for me a scalar value. But here in when we use this related table, it return for me a table. So to make it as a scalar value, we need to use aggregate function like sum x, like max x, min x, average x, or something like that. Well, how I can solve in this error? I want just to using count rows function, the aggregate function, and at this time, if I close, I will give me 111 here because I count the values here for each product name or product ID that we have here. Okay, if we try to using sum x, I don't know, this is the results. Sum x will give me the error. Yeah, I want max x here, always give me the error. But here, if I try to count rows this time, it will give me this result of quantity. Okay. Also, we have the ability to create dots in measure. Uh, if I want to sum um the price, okay, let's create in total price equal to sum x of order line or here I want price. Yeah, I want the product table. So in table I want price times related table. Okay, let's try this. Or I want here just total. Let's create this creating this total related count rows of related table. I want to show that in the this create another card. We will make that here is 9. We have 9 records. If we go to check our table, this is 9 records that we have here. Okay. And for the related table, it work for any kind of relationship. If you have one to one, many to many, one to many, many to one, the same thing. Is working all this time of relationship that we have, but for related function is work only if we have one to many functions or one to many relationships, sorry. I hope that's clear for you all and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.